As we step into 2025, the landscape of income opportunities is evolving, driven by artificial intelligence. Imagine waking up, sipping your morning coffee, and realizing that your financial independence is just a few smart decisions away. In this dynamic world, AI can offer innovative pathways to replace the traditional 9-to-5 job, unlocking new realms of freedom and flexibility. The first of these fascinating AI income hacks is leveraging AI-driven affiliate marketing. Picture an online platform where you can build your brand by promoting products that resonate with your audience. With AI tools enhancing analytics and customer insights, you can craft compelling content that engages your followers. Automated systems optimize your marketing efforts, tracking trends and suggesting the best times to share your content. As your audience grows, so does your income potential, paving a path toward financial autonomy. Next, consider the power of AI-powered content creation. Envision creating unique, insightful articles, captivating videos, or engaging podcasts without the exhaustive manual effort. AI can assist in generating ideas, drafting scripts, and even editing content to perfection. By leveraging these advanced tools, you can produce high-quality material that attracts advertising revenue or sponsorships. This enables you to transcend the limitations of traditional work hours, embracing the lifestyle of an entrepreneur while enjoying the artwork of creation. Lastly, explore the world of AI-driven online coaching or consulting. Imagine sharing your expertise and skills with others worldwide through engaging virtual sessions. With AI tools aiding in personalized learning experiences, you can create tailored programs that address individual needs. As you enhance your coaching skills and build a reputation, your income could soar, transforming this venture into a lucrative career. Placing your passion at the forefront, you can connect with clients eagerly seeking your guidance without the constraints of a conventional job. In summary, the future of income generation is at our fingertips, shaped by the ever-evolving AI landscape. By embracing these 3 hacks, affiliate marketing, content creation, and online coaching, you can carve your path to financial independence in 2025. So get ready to unlock your potential, step away from the confines of a 9-to-5, and embark on an exciting adventure where work meets passion and opportunity knows no bounds. Your journey toward a liberating future is just beginning.